Building data-driven sourcing systems is what separates casual sellers from professional online arbitrage entrepreneurs. In 2026, the ability to turn data into decisions is the ultimate competitive edge. Instead of relying on luck or instinct, top sellers use systems that collect, analyze, and act on data automatically. Let's start with the core idea. Data replaces guesswork. Every marketplace interaction, price changes, sales velocity, and buy box rotation generates valuable information. A data-driven sourcing system captures that information and uses it to guide what you buy, when you buy it, and how much you invest. The first step is to integrate data collection tools. Platforms like Tactical Arbitrage, Keepa, and Smart Scout are essential for gathering pricing and product data at scale. They track profitability, stock levels, and competition across hundreds of websites. Use these insights to identify trends instead of chasing random deals. Next, create standardized sourcing criteria. For example, only consider products with at least a 30% ROI, a sales rank within the top 3% of their category, and fewer than 15 FBA sellers. When you define your criteria clearly, you can automate your searches and filter out unprofitable products instantly. The second layer of your system is automation. Tools like Tactical Arbitrage can run searches overnight and send daily reports of profitable products that meet your requirements. Combine that with SellerAmp to verify ROI, restrictions, and competition automatically. This allows you to focus on reviewing results, not collecting data. Now add the third layer, AI and analytics. In 2026, AI-powered sourcing assistants can predict future demand, monitor market trends, and recommend when to restock. By training your system to recognize profitable patterns, you can find opportunities before your competitors even notice them. For example, AI can flag products whose prices historically rebound after seasonal dips, allowing you to buy low and sell high. Data visualization tools like Google Sheets, dashboards, Airtable, or Power BI can help you organize and interpret the results. Build dashboards that track key metrics, average ROI, sales velocity, competition density, and monthly profit trends. When you can see your numbers at a glance, it's easier to make informed decisions and scale efficiently. Another critical element is supplier data. Keep detailed records of every supplier, source URL, discounts, shipping time, and return policies. Over time, your database becomes a goldmine, revealing which suppliers consistently provide profitable inventory. A true data-driven sourcing system also includes feedback loops. Every product you sell adds to your database of results. Track which items performed well, which ones didn't, and why. Use that feedback to refine your filters and sourcing rules. This continuous improvement process compounds your accuracy over time. Finally, document your entire workflow. If you ever hire virtual assistants or build a team, your documented system becomes a blueprint for delegation. It ensures your team sources with the same precision and efficiency as you do. Building a data-driven sourcing system transforms your business from reactive to proactive. You're no longer chasing deals, you're engineering profitability through information. In 2026, data is the most valuable currency in arbitrage. Learn to collect it, analyze it, and let it guide your every move.